Presenting the sleek and stylish Atlantis Prime water dispenser. It comes with unique top-mounted dispenser buttons. Unlike ordinary dispensers, it's really convenient to take a cup of water. Enjoy refreshingly cold or steaming hot water from the first cup and every time at the touch of a button 24/7. It also has a special child lock for safety. Atlantis Prime is perfect for offices and homes and is available in a range of options. The beautiful new Atlantis Prime. Water cold, water hot, water anytime.